Morena te whānau, just coming to you live this morning due to our time difference and place and space. Manabu to be here this morning in the present. Hence, if you come on and you go into the recording, just have a look. I've left a link there if you feel a call to come in for a session that has been that I've kind of recorded for everyone. By all means, come in, tap into the link, and follow through for the next 45 to an hour. Again, apologies for the difference in times and things that are happening at my end. We will definitely be back on the Wednesday morning just to share our gratitude and be in our space and place again. I hope everyone is well at home, and I look forward to seeing everyone again on Wednesday morning. Nō reira, by all means, have a look at the link if you feel a call. Come in and really set our place and space within yourself for your day, for your week, for our place and space within our whānau and our whakapapa and communities, and that we may continue the mahi within ourselves and in creating balance and sustaining and maintaining our centre. Nō reira, our ngākau. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou. We'll see you all soon. Check out the link. We'll see you on Wednesday. Mauri ora.